Yeah, this section always makes me wish that IKEA was Dutch because they have all these Swedish products here. Good afternoon. We are here at the Udom Suk BTS Station. And why are we at the Udom Suk BTS Station? Because we are going to shop for furniture. If you come to Udom Suk, from here you can get a free bus towards IKEA. So today we are going to check out IKEA. So there are two IKEAs in Bangkok. One in the Mega Bangna, that's the one that we are going to now. And then there's another one in the central Westgate mall, the biggest shopping mall in Thailand. Cannot say Bangkok because it's in Nonthaburi. We're here at the Mega Bangna. And today I want to show you the IKEA, not I, Mirella wants to show you the IKEA. To be honest, I'm not a really big shopping fan, but if I can get some Swedish meatballs, I'm more than happy to come and shop here. Okay. You want the Maxi Mini?
Maxi Mini.
They used to be Mini the Minis, but they are now quite big. If you know IKEA, then you know the setup, and this is basically the same as any standard IKEA in the world. As always, the colors of the Swedish flag, and we're a little bit late, so it's meatball time. It's meatball time. Huh?
Crazy, huh?
Yeah. Welcome to IKEA. So here to the left is the restaurant. So there is no more Swedish meatballs, they are plant-based balls, and Mirella has veggie balls. And I have to be honest, I tried one and it's exactly the same taste as the Swedish meatballs. So the setup of the IKEA here is exactly the same as everywhere in the world, as far as I know. You can walk around, you can make your pick, and then you write down on a paper the number, and then you go to the checkout, and downstairs in the warehouse you can pick whatever you wanted to buy. Regarding the prices are very similar as in Europe. It's not many people now, it's getting a little bit later in the evening. If you come here in the weekend, of course it's full. So anybody who's moving to Thailand, and if you want to get your setup, I would say come and have a look at IKEA first. If you go to the central Westgate one, you can even go there with the purple MRT line. That's actually funny, eh? So if you look at the IKEA in Holland that I know, or the ones in Spain, and here it's all exactly the same. You will even see, if you have the bookshelves, with you'll have the Swedish books on it. Let's see if I can find one. I see a couple of books. So let's see if these are Swedish books. Okay, what do I see? Det förlångrade barnet. Funny, huh? We're in Thailand. I think all the pots and pans and cutlery that we have is from IKEA. if I want to have a feeling that I'm back in Holland, I just go to IKEA, and for 10 minutes that I walk around here, it's like being in Hengelo, where there's the nearest IKEA of my home. It's nice how IKEA just set it all up. If you just follow the path, you will basically see everything. The lamp section. So here we're getting to the warehouse area. And you can pick up your products. Anything you order here, you can have it delivered at home. And they also have a special service where they will install it. So you don't have to waste your time and energy in trying to figure out how it works. I mean, and it's relatively cheap. The guy who delivers it, they can come and fix everything, put everything together. Besides the IKEA, there's also an Index Living Mall here. So let me show you that a little bit as well. This is not a sponsored video, so I can show you anything I want. Yeah, this section always makes me wish that IKEA was Dutch. Because they have all these Swedish products here. Like the chocolates. As the purpose of this video is to show you guys where you can buy part of your furniture and your household setup, I'm also going to show you the Home Pro here. Yeah, it shouldn't be only about IKEA, right? So there's also a Home Pro in Ploen, but this is the Home Pro here in the Mega Bangna. The Home Pro, for example, you can also get televisions, so you have a bit more choice than in IKEA. Here you see there's a bit more technology. And you have even washing machines. But if you live in the center, then you can also go to the Home Pro at the Ploen Station. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the IKEA and the Home Pro here at the Mega Bangna. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.